110. So first thing is you fix the graph. Graph size is 10, 10. 10 divisions is given here. Suppose your drawing is, get me a pen.
So in the exam, each one will get different drawing?
Everyone will get different, simple one. Say it is like this, and say for example if you have 4 squares like this and one small circle or drill, whatever it is. So this size they have given as 25, and here say 10 gap, again 25, say for example 50 plus 10, 60, here 20, 80, 100, like that some dimension is given, say for example. So it's better that if you feel that you want to make the graph height as 5, 5, do it. If not, leave it as it is. If you want to make the graph sheet as 5, 5 units, first you go to snap, click here, grid setup, you bring it down, x is 5 units and y is 5 units, grid size is 5 units. And click OK. Automatically it will change to 5.
Mr. From where?
From this snap setting,
Snap.
then click this dots, 3 dots, and then grid setup.
Yes.
Here grid size, say for example it was 10, and here again 10. 10, 10 means 10, 10 divisions each.
Okay.
So it will be like this. So if you want to change it to 5 units, grid setup, change this grid size to 5, paste offset 5, 5. And even
make 5, Mr.
if you want, if the dimension anything comes like 25, 35, 45, like that 5 units, then better to have that thing, because you cannot find exactly 5 there. And even you can change the color if you want. If you can't see this color, click here, and if you want to change the better colors, visible colors, you can make some other color, green color. So now I want 4 units like this. So first unit you draw one. If something given like this, just make only 1 unit, and then after this fix this center. How much is this starting point? How much is this starting point from this 0? This is our 0, 0. From this 0, 0, how much is this starting point? This is 20 units, 25. So 45 in this side, and say 20 plus 25, 45 in this side. So it ends by 45 and starts at 20. 20 here, 25, 45. 20 here, 25. So we have to start at 4 divisions here. So let me undo this. Control Z. I will go for 4 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4 units, 20. And let us not bother the size. We will fix it later. So double click here. Center point. This center point is 25 units and 25 units. Width is 25. Height is also 25. Width is 25. Height is also 24. And then click OK. So now this is the unit. And here this center you have to fix. This center point. This center is 20 plus 12.5. 32.5. 32.5. So we will fix the center to 32.5. 32.5. Sometimes center will be given in the drawing itself. So exactly like this. So if 4 units are going to come, we have to copy this and paste. So instead of copying, what I do is I just try to mirror it exactly on this center line. I make a center line. This center line should be 50 millimeter above the origin. So 50 above the origin. Okay. Here again it should be 50. So this is the center, or maybe this is the center. I don't know exactly. Maybe this is our center. So we will mirror image. So mirror is available at this place. Modify, move the object, rotate the object, and then scale the object, mirror the object. Select the mirror object, and what is to be mirrored? I want to mirror this. Select this, mirror about this line. See, if you want to delete the original one, you can just delete the original one, or you can copy and paste, either the way. Or worst scenario, if you don't get the mirror, what you can do, you can make 4 different rectangles, 1 2 3 4 different rectangles. Copy and paste, that's all. Control C, Control V, then move this. For moving, M is the button, M, enter. From this corner we are moving it and then placing it somewhere here, 1 unit, 2nd unit.
Moving and enter.
Yeah, moving, say for example I will move this. Select this first, then Control C, then Control V. For moving, what you do, select the object, M is the button, M-O-V-E, first letter, M, enter. I want to move this from here up to here. That is also better, it's easy. So now, after this, if you want to machine, go to Cam Wizard. In Cam Wizard, I will save this file in the desktop. Save this file, and then if nothing is given, take wood. Nothing is given, select wood, soft wood. If nothing is given, aluminum you can select. If aluminum is not there, plastic. If both are not there, select wood. Don't call me, teacher, aluminum is not there, plastic is not, don't tell. Select wood, directly go for machining. Then there are 2 methods. I said follow or area clearance. So if you use follow means it will create only toolpath on this line. Area clearance means it will entirely machine this area like a pocket. It will just move and machine like a pocket. Let us make an area clearance for all the things. 1, 2, and 3. And the depth of cut, let us say 3 millimeter or 5 millimeter. It is up to you. Suppose it is given as 3 means you select 3. Okay. Now it will be like area clearance means you will get the tool path inside. Whereas follow means you will get only tool path outside. You are done with that. Then go for next and then finish it off. You will get the program now. So 1 FNC means FANUC control. Save this again in the desktop. Save it. Whenever you do area clearance, you will get too many lines. So what you have to do is you have to be very careful with the number of lines. Let me show you the program. It is on the desktop here. Double click here, select the application as Notepad and then open it. See, when it is area clearance, the number of lines will be very high, more than 80, 90, 100, sometimes 500,000. So what I need is first 25 lines or 30 lines, last 25 lines. Take your Word file, make it into tables, 2 tables. First 25 this side, second 25 that side. That's all. Only one page. Don't give entire coding and then make confusing of everything. Select the first 25 lines from here, G21, randomly, not necessary exactly 25. Control C and then make a table column, Microsoft Word. In that you will be writing the report, right? In that report you make a tabular column and then just make 2 columns table. Ask me later, accept. So insert table, either 2 or 3 tables, whichever you want you can use it. So in this first 25 lines I give like this. Then next 25 lines I will go to Notepad. After this maybe somewhere in between 25 lines. Control C. And then the last one you can have some more lines here. So this gives, you title this as CNC program for the machining. That's all done. So by the time when this is there, your coding is ready here. How many lines? 479 lines. What you need to do firstly is make 2D, 3D. Select here 2D, 3D, and you will get 2D window here. Without doing anything, first you take a screenshot, plain screenshot for this, and then go to stop pause button, rewind button, and run it. It will run without any trouble. It will run without any offset, without anything. It will not disturb. If you don't disturb anything, it will run like this. All the three will run.
This story,
Yeah. First you take plain screenshot, then one toolpath screenshot, enough. Then after this screenshot, if you want 2D view, you can have 2D view. Just put a screenshot for 2D view. And then next one is close this 2D, 3D window, simulation window. Then make VR machine, virtual reality machine window. Just click that. I will tell you, just listen carefully. Here he has selected a wrong machine here. This machine should have been set up. Select machine. He has wrongly selected the machine. Let me check whether we can change the machine. It should be, all of you should select Triac. The name of the machine you should select is Triac VME. This is the correct machine. So if you select this machine, it will be like this. This is something else which is coming from the side. So let us try. Executable mode, Windows.
From setup.
Yeah, from setup.
Select.
Setup machine parameters.
No.
No. Where is it? Setup. Execute mode toolbar.
It's not activated. This
It
one.
is not activated.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now
click here first.
first one, units.
No. Click the window of the machines.
No, window tile is only coming. Utilities, configure, utilities. No.
I think you have to close this window.
No, that is
before
not-
you open the VR.
No, VR actually, yes. Okay. I closed and opened it. Do you want to disconnect? Yes. See, now cam wizard. Next. Now we will try to make a follow cut.
Select all.
Select all. Okay. Instead of first one area clearance, I will delete. Now this X. Yes. So now follow is there. Next one. Finish. And save it in the existing file. It goes to the VR and it comes with the default machine. While you are selecting the machine itself, you have to select the proper machine. See now,
No, Mr. Change.
yeah,
No, change the machine.
setup, select machine, Triac VME. Okay, this is the machine everyone should select. Triac VME. Triac vertical machining you have to select. Click OK. So now whatever it comes default, accept it. Then go for VR. You will see that the machine is changed. Yeah, this is changed. And then you go near the machine. Now how to bring this workpiece to this place? So shift and control together. Press this, hold the left mouse button. Yes, shift and control together. Here you can give X position as 100 and Y position as 25. Say for example these two things and click OK. So it comes over here. Now what we have to do? We have to go to control panel. In the control panel, first send the tool to home position. Double click here and then go to auto mode. In auto mode, before auto mode, jog mode, remove this red color. Whatever we did there in the machine, you just remove the red color. Start the spindle, auto mode, rewind, start. But there will be an error. The error will be machine extra distance or violation will come. So for which we have to set the offset. How do we set the offset? Just to click this second button, click OK. So we are going to set the default offset, work offset. So what we do is just move this. Now let me start the spindle. Jog mode, spindle start. Now if you go near, you will see that the spindle is started. Correct. Now just let us use page up, page down for bringing the tool down. Approximately you set, that's all. Then left arrow, right arrow. Left arrow for x-axis movement. And then plus in, plus out. See, it is still not touching or touching. It may be touching. So page up, and then you can just rotate and see. You can rotate. See, suppose sometimes you are missed out of this orientation. You want to bring back to the original condition. Just to go to this fourth button, dot. Click there, it will come to the original position. Fourth dot. So now you see here where you are here. But we have to set the offset in this corner. So we will come out here and then page out. Okay, now approximately you set the offset in this place. Say for example in this place. Let us say this is our offset. How do we set the offset? Just we have opened here. Just press this rose color arrow button. Set datum offset. Click here. And whatever it comes, accept it. It may be 200 something value. Click here. Click OK. 140. Click here. Click OK. So almost approximately you have set. We can correct this one. Close this offset. Now stop the spindle. Rewind. Start. Yes. It will go back to the home position and it will come, and sometimes it may not cut. We can increase the z-axis along. See, now it is not cutting because z-axis is little up. So maybe another 30-40 millimeters you can. Up to this it's enough for me. See, the first window you have given the simulation, second window you have given the machine, and you call me. If possible, I will just correct it for you in the exam. Don't worry. Then you take the screenshot and submit.